Hello and welcome to another video on Horror It Up. Hello guys, how's everyone doing? I hope everybody's doing great. Guys, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be unboxing the Umbrella Entertainment Art Attack Terrifier Collector's Edition box set. It's been out for a while already. It took me forever to get it, and we're going to unbox it together. And guys, if it's your first time viewing my channel, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, give me a like and a thumbs up, and share this with your friends and family. And let's horror it up. And we have it right here, guys, brand new. So I'm kind of excited to open this up because there's supposed to be a lot of goodies in here. There's supposed to be a booklet and a VHS movie also. So let's get here and see what we got inside this box. I also purchased a art t-shirt. Guys, let's start off with the t-shirt because I think I opened it upside down. I guess that's where they had it. So there's the t-shirt, guys. Here we go. Oh yeah. Here you got it, guys. Art Attack Terrifier 3. That is awesome, don't it? What do you think, guys? I think it's a little too big. What size did I get it? It's an extra large, but it looks pretty big for extra large. Let me take a look at it. Oh yeah. I really enjoyed this movie. Part 3 is like, I think it's gonna be my favorite. Let me just put this over here somewhere. Boom, bang. And now we're gonna get to the good stuff here. There's gonna be a lot of stuff here to check out. Tape well. I thought I had purchased 2, but I only got 1, so I have to hit them up and okay. We're gonna go one by one, guys. Excited. Right off the bat, we see the glasses. You get this pair of glasses here. There's a few videos out there unboxing this already. Like I said, it took me quite a while to get it. But here we go, guys. Fits me perfect. Pretty awesome. I'm glad I got this box, man. Okie dokie, so let's put this one on the side. I don't know where to start, guys. Okay, let's start with this here. And this is the VHS Trerrifier 3. Stupid me. There you got it. VHS. Not going to open it up, guys. Here you go. Here you go. Trerrifier 3. So I'm going to leave it intact like that. I don't really want to open it up. So there goes one. You know what I'm going to let me just put this to the side here, top of this box here. Maybe I could just take it out better. Okay, so then the next thing we got here. Wow, this is freaking awesome. I like this artwork they got on the front of the box there. Ain't that really cool? It's pretty thick, guys. So we got a Terrifier, Terrifier 2, Terrifier 3, and Art Attack. That's the book. And there's supposed to be some cards also. So we are going to open this up. And that's the reason I thought I had bought two. And I still think I did buy two, but I'll have to check with them. Okay, nope. Okay, guys, you can see the artwork. Let me get a little closer here. You can see the artwork a lot better. Isn't that cool? That is freaking awesome. You could tell it's like it's got like a, it's not a hologram, but it's like, how would you say that? Glossy. Yeah. I don't know if you could see it there, but the box is like a little matte, and then he's glossy right here. I hope you can see that. Yeah, it's really cool. This is the top of the box. This is the side right there. And then we got the back. Awesome. Let's take out. Well, I mean, I waited quite a while for this, so I'm trying to get this one. I want to get the first one out first. Alrighty, okay, this is the first movie, Trerrifier. I mean, they really took their time with the artwork, and you can see that it's also glossy. The name and the art is glossy. And then in the back here, if you see the back right here, the only glossy part is this one here when he's on top of somebody, some girl there is stabbing or whatever he's doing there. Yep. Freaking awesome, man. Okay, so let's take it out the slip cover and see. Supposed to have some extra slip cover, so I'm not sure if they mean this or. And this is the 4K front cover on this one. Cool, right? Yeah. Oops, I just dropped the cover. But this side here, it says Ultimate HD, which I guess is 4K, right? And then on this side here is the Blu-ray with a different artwork on it. So let's see what happened. Probably got stuck with that. And then comes Trerrifier 2. Another great artwork. And in the back it features the angel. Yeah. Yeah, let's take a look at this one now and see how it looks. Slip covers are pretty tight on these things here. Okay, got this one on. And here we go. So the Ultimate HD is supposed to be the 4K. Beautiful artwork, ain't it? I believe we get some posters also, so reversible posters, and we'll take a look at that pretty soon. Oh, here it is right here, guys, on this one here. Let's see. So you got, yeah, same as the covers. This is awesome. This cover is awesome, guys. And the other side you have this one here. And I really don't like when they do the reversible, because you have to decide which one you really want to frame. And put it back in here. Now we're gonna check the, okay, it's hot in here. And then the Blu-ray. And there's the one with the Blu-ray. Both great artwork in it. And then this is the back. I'm not sure. I think I did show you the back of the other one. Now we're gonna go to part 3. Yeah, man, this poster is really nice, and I'm hoping maybe the one inside is just it's the same one, because I would like to frame this one up. Trerrifier 3. There you go. Art with Victoria. I believe that's her name, right? Let me know in the comments below. Beautiful artwork. And the same thing as always. So this is glossy, all these are. And here you got the back. And we're going to take it out of here and see if that poster is the same. So here's the cover for the 4K. And the back of it. It's amazing how a clown that doesn't talk is so freaking scary and amusing. Okay, guys, this is the one for the Trerrifier 3. And I don't think they got the one with Victoria. Got this one here. And 2. Great posters, guys. I was hoping they had the one with the sleeve. And here's the artwork on the 4K. And this is the one for the Blu-ray. And you know, guys, I just ordered this. I'm hoping I could play this, because I believe they had 2 different versions of the, I think it was one for UK or something like that, one for, I'm hoping I can play it. Okay, let me put this poster back in before I forget. So those are the 3 discs. Let me get this in here. I don't want to damage it. I was hoping to get this poster, man. It's awesome. I really dig that one for sure. Okay, I'm having a hard time getting this one in here. Okay. And I forgot to put the other ones in too. This is 2. I'll put it back in here, because if I don't, I'll wind up messing one of them up. And what's the one for this one? Alrighty then. I apologize for taking this long. I'll probably edit this anyway. Okay, so we've seen the 3 4Ks and 2 posters actually, and now we got this booklet, Art Attack, a collection of behind the scene experience and art. And guys, a pretty thick book there, you could see for yourself. That's pretty thick. There's nothing in the back, just black, unless there's some kind, no, just black. Okay, so let's just take a look in here and see what. Okay, Damien Leon interview. So it's got a lot of writing, some pictures. I'm just gonna pictures in the back. And like I say, it's behind the scenes, so you're gonna get a lot of pictures and you're gonna get a story there. So it's pretty thick. It's a nice thick book. And now we're gonna go to the cause. And we get some stickers too, guys. Wow. Okay, so we got these stickers here with the movie posters, and they got like a little, looks like a kind of Lego figure too, which I will be showing you in a few. So this takes care of that. Now let's go to the posters. Okay. All right, guys. Number 1. Okie dokie. Here we have, I don't remember this part. It's from part 2. Oh yeah, I think I remember. And then we have, I don't know, there's nothing in the back, that's why I'm not showing it. And then this is from Trerrifier. Yes. Okay. We have another one from Trerrifier 3. And the other one is from Trerrifier 2. No, it's an angel, but I forgot her name. It was art again. Trerrifier 3. I remember this scene. That was a crazy scene, right? In that little studio place. That was freaking cool. And this is from the first Trerrifier. And this is a scary Victoria Trerrifier 2 they've got there. And this one is from Trerrifier too also, and I think this might be the last one. No, it ain't. This is from Trerrifier Eve. I mean, not all Halloween Eve. Forgot about that movie. So cool. And then we're back to the first one. So yeah, so not a bad set. Actually, is great. I believe the total came out to about 153 with the tax. I'm not quite sure if they charged me delivery. And I knew I wasn't going to be able to put this back in, so I'm going to leave that for later. So we still got one more thing, guys, that I'm going to show you, but I'm not going to build it. I want to keep it just the way it is. And it's a Trerrifier Art Attack Collector's Edition Art the Clown Brick Set. And that's what you get in the box also with this set. Now they got two different kind of sets. They got, I think there's one without the glasses and maybe without this. And it's less money. And I just want to open, I could open this up without, oh yeah. And this is what it looks like, guys. It's just like a Lego. But I'm gonna keep it right in the box, in the bag. I don't want to take it out. But you know, I'll probably put a picture of how it looks like when it's all mounted, all set up, but not by me. So there you got it, guys. So we're gonna get so you get all of these 12 cards in this box set. You get this sticker sheet. I'll stick it right in there somewhere. Let's just put it there. You get this awesome book, which I want to read, actually. Nice heavy set book. We're going to get the 3 4K. These are all 4K, guys, all 4Ks. So we get in 3. Trerrifier, and put them in order. Trerrifier 2 and Trerrifier 3. Get in there, guys. I don't want to scratch anything or mess anything up. And there it is, guys, the box set. Plus you're gonna get this VHS and the glasses. So there you got it, guys. A great box set. Love these glasses, man. I'm gonna close with these on. There you go, guys. Great box set. I'm glad I had the chance to bring this over to you. Yes, it was late, but it's like they say, it's never too late when you got a good thing going. Leave me a comment down below what you think of this box set. Did you get one? And don't forget to check out my description below. I might put some information that I may just have forgotten. And the most important thing, if it's your first time viewing my channel, hit that subscription button, hit that notification bell, give me a like and a thumbs up, and share this with your friends and family. And until my next video on Horror It Up, peace.